kick it. Wait, I missed. Wait. Yahoo! Yeah! I got it! I got it! Hey guys, follow me. I have a surprise for you. Surprise! So we're gonna learn how to do spin rice. Happy Diwali, kids! Happy Diwali. Can I show you magic? Follow me. Oh, where's the sketch pen? Oh, watch it. Come. Watch this. Uh-oh, my washing machine is broken. See? That's why I keep bandage. How to do spin rice like this? Hot point washing machine. Let's put some ball in the washing machine. Let's go. Wait, let's turn it off. Oh, yes. Spin. On. On.
थोडं मागे सरकून
Bye.
बोलायचं. तास मशीन बघत बसलेलं. तर तिला बोललो मी.
Okay, the cycle is finished. After this, we'll do wash race and next video. Okay, let me show you how I'll take the dresses out. Okay, now it's finished. Oh, my toy. Let me show you. Wait, I missed. Oh. The cycles are finished. Now let's do wash race. Let's put them back. Let's put this ball. Let's kick it. Wait, I missed. Wait. Yeah! I got it! He never touched this. See, this is for having good smell, and this is for it's like foam, and this one makes face. Do you know? Hey, okay, let's put it in. Let's add it. There we go. Let's go back. What? Okay. Nice. Okay, I'm going in. so complicated.
ऑनच आहे काढ मग.
I will take out my toy and dress. Let me find my toy. Oh, here's my toy.
Did you just put your toy inside the machine?
Yes.
Why would you do something like that?
Look,